Good morning, students. This is Aalok Guptaa, your mathematics mentor and coach at Kkhyatis EdTech. So आज हम start करेंगे time, distance and speed. We'll have many concepts in this, types of problems that are asked in CAT, NMAT, IPMAT, and so on and so forth. So as and when we start getting into some concept, I will explain you the basic understanding of that concept and we will solve sums based on that concept. Okay, so let's start. So just to begin with, let us first understand what exactly we mean by speed. So speed is distance traveled per unit of time, right? So that's what we tell speed as. So normally कैसे बोलते हैं, speed is 5 kilometers per hour, or we say speed is 5 meters per second, something like this, right? So it is basically nothing but distance covered per unit of time. Now sometimes let us say they have given distance, the speed as in kilometers per hour, and I want to convert this into meters per second. So how do we do that? It's very simple. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meters and 1 hour is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So this 0 will get cancelled with this. 10 upon 36, that is 5 upon 18 meters per second. So this sometimes speed may be given in kilometers per hour and distance may be given in meters, time may be given in seconds and distance may be given in kilometers. So ऐसे type के sums में to make the unit same, we have to use this conversion. So we can say 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meters per second, or we can say 1 meters per second is 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. So this is the concept number 1. So now this particular formula we can use in various things. For example, तो distance क्या बन जाएगा? Speed into time, और time क्या बन जाएगा? Distance upon speed, और speed है distance upon time. So in any of these formats, they all mean the same thing, right? So we will use all these formulas when we are trying to solve the problems. Another concept is our average speed. So when you talk about average speed, please do not do जाने का speed S1 है, आने का speed S2 है, तो average speed S1 plus S2 upon 2. ये गलत है. This is not how the average speed is calculated. So average speed is calculated as total distance traveled upon total time taken. इसका मतलब क्या? So when we say, let us say someone traveled from point A to point B, which is around 40 kilometers away from each other at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, and then from B to C, which is another 20 kilometers away at 10 kilometers per hour. Now they are saying, what is the average speed of entire journey? तो कैसे निकालेंगे इसको? So हम average speed we will remove as total distance upon total time. Correct? So the total distance traveled in this case is 40 plus 20, 60. and total time I do not know, but I know I can calculate this time and I can calculate this time, which is T1 and T2, time to travel from A to B and time to travel from B to C. So what is T1? It is distance upon speed. So T1 is 40 upon 20 and T2 is 20 upon 10. So 60 2 plus 2. So 60 upon 4, which is 15 kilometers per hour, is the average speed. Another important thing in average speed is that the average speed can never be greater or equal to 2 times of any of the individual speeds given, any S1 or S2. So average speed हमेशा कोई भी स्पीड दिया होगा आपको, इंडिविजुअल स्पीड्स इन द पाथ्स, एक स्पीड S1 है, एक स्पीड S2, एक स्पीड S3 है, तो एवरेज स्पीड हमेशा इन इंडिविजुअल S1, S2, S3 से 2 टाइम्स लेस देन 2 टाइम्स रहेगी. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल इफ एवरेज स्पीड S1 is 30, S2 is 40, तो योर एवरेज स्पीड कैन नेवर बी 40 है तो 40 मतलब 80 के नीचे ही होनी चाहिए. 30 है तो मतलब कोई भी वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट स्पीड है उसके 2 टाइम से कम ही होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस से I have traveled from here to here at 45 kilometers per hour, and from here to here at S2 kilometers per hour, right? So if I am saying my average speed of the entire journey is 90 kilometers per hour, it is not possible, because 90 kilometers is equal to 2 times one of the speeds given. Why it is not equal, I'll explain to you now. So let us say this distance is 90 kilometers. I'll assume this distance is 90 kilometers. So this distance also will be 90 kilometers. So it is traveling at the speed of 45 kilometers per hour and it is covering 90 kilometers. So what is the time taken to go from this point to this point? 2 hours. Right? And what is my average speed? 90 kilometers per hour. So average speed क्या होता है? Total distance, that is 90 plus 90, 180. Right? Upon total time. So total time कितना लगा होगा मेरे को? 180 upon 90, 2 hours. How it is possible? मतलब एक जगह यहाँ से यहाँ जाने के लिए भी 2 hours और एवरेज स्पीड जो दिया हुआ है 90 किलोमीटर उसमें जाने और आने में भी 22 आवर्स. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? मतलब यहां से आने में उसको 0 टाइम लगा. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट? सो एवरेज स्पीड कभी भी कोई भी एक इंडिविजुअल स्पीड से के 2 टाइम्स लेस से बड़ी नहीं हो सकती है. सो अगर ये 45 है सो 90 के नीचे ही एवरेज स्पीड होगी. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होने के बाद में देन वील ट्राई टू start solving some sums. Okay, I hope students you like my videos on time, distance and speed. So please do subscribe on my YouTube channel, and if you have any difficulties please free to contact me on my WhatsApp number, or and please keep me motivated to bring up more such videos for your use.